how to fix apps not opening on an iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix apps not opening on your iPhone. Stick around till the end so you don't miss the step that finally gets your app working again. So if you've got an app that just won't open, first thing to do is check if the app needs an update. Head over to the App Store, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to see the list of available updates. If the app you're having trouble with is listed, go ahead and update it. You can even press Update All to save time. Once updated, try opening the app again. If that doesn't fix it, next step is to check your iPhone software version. Open up your settings. Scroll down and tap General. Then select Software Update. If an update is available, make sure to install it because sometimes the app won't work properly on an outdated iOS version. Still no luck? Let's try restarting the iPhone. Press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and hold the side power button until your screen goes black and you see the Apple logo. Release the button and wait for it to fully start back up. Once you're back on the home screen, try launching the app again. Hopefully that's done the trick. If this video helped, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more iPhone fixes. Catch you in the next one.